The world of cryptocurrency awaits, and Zai is your key to unlocking its potential. Imagine having the power to trade digital currencies right at your fingertips, anytime and anywhere. With Zai, this is not just a dream, but a reality. The app is designed to cater to both novices and experienced traders, ensuring that everyone can navigate the complex world of cryptocurrencies with ease. Zai is a user-friendly mobile app designed to make crypto trading accessible to everyone. Its intuitive design ensures that even those who are new to the world of digital currencies can start trading with confidence. The app provides step-by-step tutorials and guides to help you understand the basics and get started quickly. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Zai provides a seamless and intuitive platform for buying, selling, and managing your digital assets. The app offers real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and a variety of order types to suit your trading style. You can monitor your portfolio, set price alerts, and execute trades with just a few taps. One of Zai's standout features is its intuitive interface. The clean and simple design ensures that you can focus on what matters most, making informed trading decisions. The app's layout is user-friendly, with all the essential tools and information easily accessible. This makes it easy to navigate through different sections and find what you need without any hassle. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for beginners to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading. Zai offers a range of educational resources including video tutorials, articles, and webinars to help you learn at your own pace. You can explore different features of the app, practice trading with a demo account, and gradually build your confidence. With Zai, you can effortlessly explore different cryptocurrencies, track market movements, and execute trades with just a few taps on your phone. The app supports a wide range of digital currencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and take advantage of various market opportunities. You can also set up custom watch lists to keep an eye on your favorite assets and receive notifications when there are significant price changes. Zai understands that security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. The app employs state-of-the-art security measures to protect your investments and personal information. From encryption to secure servers, every aspect of the app is designed to ensure that your data is safe and secure. That's why the app is built with robust security measures to safeguard your investments and personal information. Zai offers multiple layers of security, including two-factor authentication, biometric login options, and secure wallet technology. These features provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your assets are well protected against potential threats. Two-factor authentication, biometric login options, and secure wallet technology provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your assets are well protected. Additionally, Zai continuously updates its security protocols to stay ahead of potential threats, ensuring that your investments remain safe at all times. Zai also offers a diverse range of educational resources and tools to empower you on your crypto journey. Whether you're looking to understand the basics or delve into advanced trading strategies, Zai has you covered. The app features a comprehensive library of resources, including beginner-friendly guides, in-depth market analysis, and expert insights. From beginner-friendly guides to in-depth market analysis, Zai equips you with the knowledge and insights to make informed trading decisions. The app's educational tools are designed to help you stay updated with the latest market trends, understand different trading strategies, and make the most of your investments. With Zai, you're not just trading, you're learning and growing as a trader. Ready to embark on your crypto trading adventure? Let's get started with downloading and installing the Zai app, your gateway to seamless crypto trading. The first step is downloading the Zai app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, Zai has got you covered. Simply head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Zai Crypto Trading. You'll see the app listed in the search results. Once you've found the app, click on the Download or Get button to initiate the download. This will start the process of bringing Zai to your device. The app is relatively small and should download quickly depending on your internet connection speed. You can monitor the progress through the progress bar on your screen. After the download is complete, tap on the app icon to begin the installation process. This will prepare the app for first-time use. XII respects your privacy and will only request access to essential permissions required for the app to function correctly. You'll be prompted to review and accept the privacy policy. These permissions may include access to your camera for identity verification, storage for saving screenshots, and other necessary functionalities. Additionally, the app may request permission to send you notifications. These notifications will keep you updated with price alerts and trading updates, ensuring you never miss an important event. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Zai app icon on your home screen or app drawer. This icon is your portal to the world of crypto trading. Tap on the icon to launch the app and proceed to the next step, creating your Zai account. This is where your crypto trading journey truly begins. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account and start exploring the features of Zai. With Zai, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips, designed to make crypto trading accessible and efficient. Welcome to the future of trading. Creating your Zai account is a breeze and takes only a few minutes. When you first launch the app, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Get Started or Create Account button to begin the registration process. Zai will ask for your email address and a strong password to protect your account. Make sure to choose a unique password that you don't use for any other online accounts. For enhanced security, Zai recommends enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA. With 2FA enabled, you'll need to enter a unique code from your authentication app along with your password every time you log in. This adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account. Once you've set up your password and 2FA, Zai will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Congratulations, you're now one step closer to trading crypto on Zai. Section 4. Verifying your identity, a necessary step. To ensure a secure and compliant trading environment, Zai requires all users to complete a quick identity verification process. This process helps prevent fraudulent activities and complies with international regulatory standards. Don't worry, identity verification on Zai is straightforward and secure. You'll need to provide a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Zai uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information during the verification process. The app will guide you through the process, which typically involves taking a picture of your ID and a selfie. Zai utilizes facial recognition technology to compare your selfie with your ID photo, ensuring that you are who you claim to be. Identity verification usually takes only a few minutes. Once your identity is verified, you'll have full access to all of Zai's features and functionalities, including funding your account and starting to trade. Section 5. Funding your XI account, quick and easy options. In this section, we'll guide you through the various methods available to fund your XI account quickly and easily. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it and start trading. Verification is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account and to comply with regulatory requirements. Zai offers various convenient funding options to cater to different preferences. Whether you prefer traditional banking methods or modern digital currencies, Zai has got you covered. You can fund your account using a bank transfer, which is a reliable and widely used method. Alternatively, you can use a debit card, credit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. These options provide flexibility and convenience, allowing you to choose the method that best suits your needs. To add funds, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section of the Zai app. This section is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to manage your finances. Here, you'll see an overview of your account balance and the available funding options. This overview helps you keep track of your funds and make informed decisions. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. The app provides clear and concise steps to guide you through the process. For bank transfers, Zai will provide you with the necessary account details. Ensure you enter these details correctly to avoid any delays. Keep in mind that bank transfers may take a few business days to reflect in your Zai account. This is due to the processing times of the banks involved. Debit and credit card deposits are usually processed instantly, allowing you to start trading right away. This is ideal for those who want to begin trading without any delay. If you prefer using other cryptocurrencies to fund your account, Zai supports a variety of digital currencies. Zai provides a unique wallet address for each supported cryptocurrency. This ensures that your funds are securely and accurately credited to your account. Simply copy the address and initiate a transfer from your external wallet. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation, and your account balance will be updated accordingly. This process is designed to be seamless and efficient, ensuring that you can start trading as soon as possible. Section 6. Navigating the SAI app. Finding your way. The SAI app is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it easy to find your way around. The app's intuitive layout and clear navigation options ensure that you can access all the essential features without any hassle. At the bottom of the screen, you'll typically find a navigation bar with icons representing different sections of the app. These sections might include Home, Markets, Trade, Wallet, and Profile. The Home section provides an overview of the market, including price charts of popular cryptocurrencies, recent news, and personalized recommendations. Markets offers a comprehensive list of all cryptocurrencies available for trading on SAI, along with their current prices and trading volume. The Trade section is where you'll spend most of your time executing trades. Wallet gives you an overview of your account balance, transaction history, and funding options. Lastly, the Profile section allows you to manage your account settings, security options, and access educational resources.